Hello Aquarius, welcome to Indiana 11 Tarot. How are you? So this is your weekly career, money and business reading. Just to share that I post monthly videos on career, business, money and weekly videos too. Monthly videos on love and mid month videos on love. Also I post manifestation video, how to manifest a good job, money, how to attract money, and how to attract a good boss for that matter. Not just love, and it's like a specific person. So I am really new to this YouTube channel, but I've posted few videos. So if you do like, please visit my playlist and check it out. If you do like what I do, please subscribe to my channel. And let's see how your week goes. Eight of Swords. So some of you are still stuck in that retrograde energy, still waiting for things to move forward. So that is causing you discomfort, that is causing you pain, that's causing you anxiety. There could be some money issues also for some of you here. You don't know what to do, you are confused, and but the only way out for those of you facing this situation is be very strong, be bold, and things you will just pass. Nothing is permanent, so this too shall pass, Aquarius. Two of Cups. So, beautiful card. In terms of career, business, money, it's like somebody who has just started a joint venture or a business recently, or it's about a full cooperation between your partners. You're really getting a very balanced, uh, you know, um, uh, you both are very, putting in lot of effort together. It's about partnership, it's about association, cooperation from each other, and you are both happy. You are both the sides are happy with each other. Also, it could be a job situation when you are happy with your present boss or your subordinate being happy with you. So putting lot of genuine energy, genuine love, genuine hard work, you both want to put together to make things really work in a very good way, Aquarius. So things are going at good for most of you here with this Two of Cups card. Emotionally also you are satisfied now, Aquarius. Because this is also a divine timing. I mean that you can see that here, there's a angel here, that is called divine time. It's the good time to move forward, to fly high and put your dreams, the wings to fly ahead. So good card, Aquarius, for you. Three of Swords. Beware of deceit. There could be cheating in money. There could be cheating in a situation. So it's just an alert card. Be alert. There could be. It also talks about health issues. Some of you might be stressed due to overload of work. So take care of your health. Do meditation. Do some yoga. Relax yourself, and you will feel better. Cut down your stress. This is what with the Three of Swords card. And then be alert, so that you are not deceived on money or any other situation for that matter. Now let me see. Two of Swords in reverse. So I feel Two of Swords is in reverse. Usually in an upright position, it talks about being confused and you don't know what to do, and you're balancing two things into the unknown. But with the reverse card, I feel that it's high time to come out of this. It's high time you just things will be known to you now. You also got a Three of Swords card. So if there is a deceit or thing, you will know what it is now. Things are coming to light to you now. So take action accordingly. Now it's a time to take action. Two of Swords in reverse, take action. Three of Swords, you get to know about the deceit. You get to know who is being confront it, and sort the matter. That is what I feel with this card. And it's not for all of you, it's a general reading, so for some of you it is there. Eight of Pentacles. So working hard on the money, on your job, on your business situation. You are putting all your effort, all your strength, very focused. Very focused you are. You want to earn more, you want to have luxury. So each one of us, like, are trying to work hard, especially after this COVID-19. So it's a lot of genuine hard work that you Aquarius are putting through, and you will reap good rewards in the coming months. Also, I feel there is expenses on family. With this Two of Cups, you have expenses on the person you have in your life, and also towards your family. You are spending on some artifacts and decor, home decor, and real estate, so that they could look, your home could look better. So this is what I get for you, Aquarius, this month. And all the best. So see you in the next month reading. So thank you. If you do like what I do, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.